Hello friends, we are going to fix crashing camera raw problem in Photoshop. Let's have a look at the problem. When you try to open Camera Raw, Photoshop crashes. So let's fix this. Open Photoshop again. Open an image. Now go to Edit option in top menu bar. Click on Edit. Find Preference from the drop-down menu. Then select Camera Raw. Now click on Performance tab. Turn off Use Graphics Processor. After that, open Camera Raw from Filter. Voila! It's working. That's it. Thanks for being here.